Alright, so let's start by opening up the app, and that's the icon on the bottom right of my screen. It's the one with the apple, so just click on this guy. Okay, now since I've already logged in, and you can close your iPad, you can close the app no matter how often you want, it's going to remember your login information. So now this is the app interface. Let's start off by clicking on the top left of the screen. It's the hamburger right there. Alright, so this is what you're going to see. This is basically your home screen. You got the donate option, my donations, year-to-date tally, log out, and the about portion. If you go to click on donate, we're going to go to the donate interface. If you go to my donations, you get to see what is currently posted. Let's go on pending. I have nothing pending because I didn't post anything. Completed. It's going to show all of the ones that we have test driven and wasted. All the ones that were not picked up. Don't look at that face. Alright, so let's go to donate. That's the one we want to focus on. So let's go take a picture. And I'm just going to take this as an example. Let's use that photo. Now we can only use one photo because of the limitations of the app. It's very simple though, so I think one photo should suffice. Let's go make a title. Just put juice. Being descriptive helps, but for this one it's just juice. It's quantity 1 pound. Don't want to do 1.5, 1.6. Do whole numbers. Type, it is a dry item. Now the deadline's important. So say it's a Friday, but you want this picked up by at least Tuesday. So you can choose Tuesday. Let's see, February, I don't know when Friday is going to be next week, but let's just say February 28th at the latest I can be here, 3:30, or maybe the scheduled pickup. Hit done, hit save, and in a moment it's going to get posted onto the web. There it is, and there's my donation. And then from our end at OSL, we get to see what's being posted that's available. We click on it, we get to see the information, who exactly donated, and the address and contact information of that donation person. But for your screen, you get to just see your donation itself. You get to waste it if it never was picked up, or you get to edit it if you want to add another photo, if maybe the quantity has changed, the deadline has changed. Let's go back to my donations, pending. Now if say OSL decides to pick up your donation, because we can, we'll click on accept it, and then you should see it on your pending portion. But if it's not picked up yet, it's going to be on my donations, and you should get an email notification showing that OSL is coming to pick up your donation. That should be it.